You know that the Salem Church has a figurine? It's a one-of-a-kind Lowell Davis. Look at all the vintage cars. And it's so detailed. It's available for sale. Here you go, with base. Look how cute it is. And this is numbered 105. With a limited number of 300. And Lowell had personally signed it. It's a one-of-a-kind. If you're interested, let me know. Time to church at Red Oak 2. There we go. With base. Let me know, folks. Thank you. Have a blessed one. Bye.